At the end of this set of notes, we're going to ask you to calculate a few things for the average height of students in the classroom. So the mode, the median, the mean, the range, and a standard deviation. And then we're going to ask you about the skew. So here's how we're going to get the data for that information. Earlier in class, we had all the students list their heights in inches. This isn't that, but some sample data I just put in to show you through the process. So we've got to calculate the mean, the median, the mode, the range, and a standard deviation. All right, starting with the mean, just open up the cell in D, equals average, and just grab all the numbers and close parentheses. So we got an average there of 67.1. The median, same thing, equals, type in a median, get all the data, close the parentheses. For the mode, this formula, just type in mode. There it is. And same thing, we're just going to keep grabbing the same data table over and over again. And the range, so there's no formula for range, but you can either do this by hand or you can make the Google Sheets do it. You just need to know the lowest and the highest. So my highest is a 74, and I know that my lowest is a 60. Pretty simple formula, equals 74 minus 60. Oops. She didn't like that. Try that again. 74 minus 60. Enter. And 14. You can do that in your head too. But if you ever come to a really big data set where we're in like more than just 2 or 3 digits, it might be a little bit of help. And lastly, standard deviation, equals STDEV, standard deviation. And highlight, close parentheses. And then we got a standard deviation of 3.9. And last thing we're going to do, we got to make ourselves a histogram. So grab the data table. We'll go to the little chart button we played with the other day. And we're going to choose histogram. And it's a little bit further down. It might be labeled, but it's this one right here. And there's our little histogram chart. And we'll move this around. Make it a little bit smaller. We'll put it up here. You can see, along the bottom, we have our standard deviation of 3.9 across here. So we're going to ask you, is this a positive skew, a negative skew, or a regular curve? Back on our notes, go to slide number 7 here. So this is what a regular curve should look like. Should look like a bell. Then we have our skewed. When we go back to our data chart, the one I put in, we have a negative skew. We got a lot of things here on the positive end. So instead of shaped like a bell, it's shifted to the right. And that's how you do it. So good luck, have fun, and go ahead and turn that in when you finish.